Weather Clues in the Sky Clouds by Belinda Jensen, illustrated by Renee Carilla. Look, the sky's getting cloudy. Does that mean light rain, a thunderstorm, or just an overcast day? Chapter 1 The Soccer Tournament. Belle wiped her forehead. It's so hot. I hope we make it through our final game. Her cousin, Dylan, looked up. The sun is better than those clouds. They could mean a storm. Then no more soccer. That would stink, Cody said. Just like last tournament. First clouds, then thunder, then we all got sent home. Those aren't storm clouds, guys, Belle said. Here, I'll show you. Weather isn't so mysterious once you understand it. She led the boys over to where Lily was drawing with sidewalk chalk. What's up? Lily asked. We're afraid we'll be rained on, Cody said. But Belle, the weather girl, is going to explain why not. Sometimes clouds are made by airplanes. These long, thin clouds are called contrails. Chapter 2 Cloud Creation. When the air near Earth heats up, it rises, Belle said. It carries moisture from lakes, rivers, and oceans. Dylan laughed. Maybe moisture from our sweaty jerseys, too. The water cycle. Water and ice crystals. Rising moisture, rain. The air cools as it rises, Belle said. Drops of water from around pieces of dust. If the air rises high enough, ice crystals form. Those drops of water or ice crystals turn into clouds. Clouds all start the same way, but they don't end up looking the same, Belle said. Dylan pointed at the sky. Yeah, there's a dolphin, and that one's an angel. Belle laughed. I mean that different kinds of clouds look different. Some form high up and some hang down low. Some are puffy and some are flat. Those are all weather clues. Chapter 3 Kinds of Clouds. Belle picked up some chalk. See how today's clouds are thin and wispy and up really high? They're called cirrus clouds. Cirrus clouds form up where the air is very cold. They're made of ice crystals. What clues do cirrus clouds give? Asked Dylan. Do you say if we're going to win the tournament? Clouds can't tell us that, Belle said. But they do say good weather for today. Lily drew puffy white clouds on the sidewalk. So, what about the clouds look like big cotton balls? She asked. Or turtles, Cody added, a head of feet to one of Lily's clouds. Cumulus clouds are flatter on the bottom and puffy on the top. Those are cumulus clouds, Belle said. If they're not very tall, it usually means nice weather. But sometimes cumulus clouds grow super tall. They turn into dark cumulonimbus clouds, added. Darling colored Lily's clouds so they were gray and towering. Are they monster clouds like these? They mean thunderstorms, right? I hate storms. Cumulonimbus clouds are dark gray because they hold so much water. Belle nodded. Cody raised his hands like claws. Grr! Watch out for cumulonimbus clouds. Cumulonimbus clouds. Sometimes the sky looks like a gray blanket, Cody said. What clouds are those? Low, flat clouds are called stratus clouds. Bell said stratus clouds form when wet air rises slowly. They can bring light rain or snow. When a cloud is so low it touches the ground, it's called fog.
The.
Chapter 4, game time. Hey, crickets team, called coach. Time to huddle up. Game time and no storm. You were right, Bell, said Dalen. Weather isn't so much a mystery when you read the cloud clues. You've got it, Bell said. So stay tuned for tomorrow because every day is another weather day. But for now, go crickets. Try it. Make a cloud. What you need: a large, clean jar, a grown up to light and hold a matches, a gallon sized zip top bag filled with ice. What you do? Fill the jar 1/3 full with warm water. As the water warms the air in the jar, the sides fog up. Important. A grown up must do this step. Have a grown up light a match and hold it for a few seconds at the opening of the jar. The match can be dropped into the jar. Put the bag of ice on the top of the jar right away. The warm air rises, cools near the ice, and falls. This creates a water cycle. You will quickly see a cloud begin to form. After about a minute, lift off the ice. Your cloud will rise out of the jar. You are a cloud maker. Glossary. It's one word that I'm curious
Cumulonimbus.
about, the pronunciation.
Cumulonimbus.
See if we can hear this word.
Cumulonimbus.
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 Cumulonimbus. Okay, that's how we say that word. Finish. Let's start the quiz. Okay, hopefully you guys were paying very close attention. Start the quiz. Thin clouds made by airplanes are called cirrus. Oh. Cirrus clouds are cumulus clouds are puffy. Oh, I got one right. Cumulonimbus clouds are dark gray because they hold so much water. Got that correct. Low flat clouds are called. That could be the only correct answer. Fog is smoke on the ground, contrails made by airplanes, a cloud so low it touches or nearly touches the ground. Yes. Okay. What did we get? 67%, 4 out of 8. Okay, good job.